Welcome to ECTV Tries, where things are always questionable. I'm Gwen.
And I'm Keely. Although we don't know what today's task is, we have been given a hint.
The hint is, how well do you know Etown?
Not that well.
Yes!
Yay!
I've been here for 4 years.
3!
And I know nothing.
Nothing! It's definitely gonna be trivia though.
Yeah, all right.
I think it's time we look at the task.
Oh.
You will be playing 20 questions with places/things around Etown campus.
No! This is gonna be so bad. Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine, we can do it.
We can do it.
We can do it.
If it's 20 questions, we should aim for a 5. That's 25% success rate.
25% success rate.
God. Now that we know our task, we'll be right back and we'll get started.
Welcome back to ECTV Tries, where we just found out our task is playing 20 questions with Etown-themed places and things.
We each have a list of 10 words and we'll choose 5 of them to be our answers. We will take turns guessing with yes and no questions until we get the right word.
Whoever gets the most correct will win for today's task. Now that we've had a deeper explanation, let's get started.
Bad.
Is this a place that I'm at? Is this a place?
Kind of? Yes.
Okay.
Is this a person?
No.
Okay.
Is this a place I'm at regularly?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Is yours a food?
No.
Okay.
Is it an academic building?
No. Is it like a physical thing I can like hold? Okay.
Is it like an athletic thing?
Okay. Is it like a major or a minor, like a department?
No.
Okay.
Is this a major or a minor?
No.
Okay.
Is yours a group of workers that will like help students, like a staff?
No.
Okay.
Is yours a staff?
Yes. I just thought that question was like mine. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like look at my list to like help me think of a
You're allowed to
question.
do that.
Is it an event?
No. Is it like professors?
No.
Adjacent to professors at all?
No.
That's the same question. That's the same question.
Guys, that's a new question. Gosh. It's not an event. It's not a person. Is it a place? Like, is it a building?
It's a place.
How did I not get that? Okay.
Is it like adjacent to food services?
No.
No, not at all.
Is this a building I have been in before?
This is a place
Or a place
you've been in before.
Okay. Makes me feel like it's like cross-country track related. Okay.
Oh my god, I forget every question I've ever asked. Is this athletic related?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Is yours athletic related?
Yes!
Okay. Your turn. I'll take my glasses off.
I rarely am here.
Well, you said you asked if it was a department, and I said yes.
It's a department. Is this business related?
What do you mean business? Like the major?
No, like school, like the college's business.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Kind of, yes.
Okay.
Is this placed inside?
No. Is this like what's the word?
Yes.
Yes. Is it in the BSC?
No.
No.
Is yours made of grass? Like fully?
Fully?
Like
no, not entirely.
Like we use the grass.
What does that mean?
Like is it the solar loop?
No.
Okay.
Is this in Meyer?
No.
No.
Were you thinking honor center?
Yeah.
Is this the track?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yay!
Is yours a place?
I can't remember what it is. No. Is yours a place?
No. Is yours a physical thing that can be held?
No. Is yours like a concept of something?
No.
No.
Is mine a major or a minor?
No. Is yours a physical object that can be held?
Yes. Is mine inside a building?
No. Is mine edible?
No.
No! That's dramatic.
Is it related to athletics?
No. Is it alive?
Yes.
Huh?
Is yours an event?
No.
Okay.
Is it a dog?
Yes. Dang it. Okay, not physical. It's not an event. Is mine a department?
No. I don't think so. Is it Truman?
Yes. Cross that off real quick. That's why I was so grossed out when you're like, can I eat it? Okay.
Me first.
Anyways, go.
Me first. Is it a place?
No.
No.
Is mine physical? I can hold it.
You cannot hold it.
Okay. Why are all yours concepts?
I like an abstract concept.
Okay.
Can I hold it?
No.
No.
Is mine related to a department or a major minor realm?
Yes. I think.
Okay.
Did I already ask if it was a place?
No, I don't think so.
Is it a place?
No.
No.
Is mine in the BSC?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is mine an abstract concept?
Kind of, yeah. Is mine related to discrimination?
No.
Okay.
Mine in a building?
Yes.
Yes.
Is mine the blue bean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it in Meyer?
No. Can I buy things at mine?
No.
Okay.
Is it in the BSC?
No. Is mine the theater?
Yeah!
Yes! Yes! Okay. What is it, like Tempest Theater?
Yeah.
That's why I asked if you can buy things. Okay, I'll ask first.
Okay.
Is mine a physical item?
No.
You and your abstract concepts. Okay.
Is mine a place?
No.
Okay.
Is mine somewhere I can go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is mine an abstract concept?
Nope. Is mine in Meyer?
No.
Ah,
Is mine a tangible object?
yes.
Yes.
Is mine in the BSC again?
No.
Oh,
Can I eat mine?
yes.
I'm hungry. Can you tell?
Me too. I just heard my tummy grumble. Is mine in an academic building?
No. Is mine a dessert?
Yes. It's not in an academic building. It's an abstract concept, but I can go to it.
You never asked if it was an abstract concept.
Oh. Is it Campo?
No. Is mine carrot cake?
What kind of carrot cake though? What form?
The cupcake.
Yes! What was mine?
The Dell.
I should have been like, can I run hills up on
Yeah,
it?
can you run up hills?
Can I do 10 by 10 seconds up it?
Yeah. I hope I win.
I feel like this is kind of like
It's a
the
tie.
tiebreaker.
It's a tie.
Okay, you go first.
Okay. Is it a place?
Yes.
Yes.
Is mine a physical item I can hold?
No.
Ah.
Do I go there frequently?
I would say probably not.
Okay.
I feel like, you could go somewhere I don't know.
You don't know my day.
That's
you don't know my life. She doesn't
exactly.
know what I do with
She
my
could be
time.
hiding in the Dell all day. And mine an event?
No. Is mine in the BSC?
No. Is mine a place as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is place versus place.
Is mine athletic?
No. Is mine academic related?
No. Is mine an academic department?
No.
No.
Is mine in the BSC?
No. Is mine a administrative department?
A non-administrative or an administrative?
An administrative. I don't know how to say that word.
No. Is mine related to a major, minor / like department?
No. Is mine athletic?
No. Did I ask if mine was athletic?
I don't think so.
Is mine athletic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is mine like just for funsies?
Absolutely not. Is mine the well?
No.
Okay.
Is mine like counseling services?
No.
You said it's not fun.
I feel like we're both like missing a crucial
I think we are.
Okay, so mine is athletic related, and it's not. Is it the?
Wait.
I forget what it's called, but is it the where we lift in Bowers, like
No.
the lifting gym?
The gym?
I don't know if
The
that's fun.
gym? Is mine in Meyer?
No. Okay, mine's athletic related. Is mine Thompson? Like in Thompson?
It is not Thompson.
Well, like, is it in Thompson? That's what I meant to say, sorry. Okay.
Can't eat it. It's a place.
You're missing one crucial thing with that one.
Food place! Is there food there?
No. Is mine Jaywalk?
Wait. Yeah.
Is it? Yes!
I forgot what it was.
All right, well, that's all for this week's episode. Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes on ECTV Tries. I'm Gwen.
And I'm Keely, and thanks for watching ECTV Tries.
Yay!
Yay!